Hi everyone, welcome back to Coin World UK. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I want to do a Topps Match Attax trading card game. This is for the Europa League, Champions League and European Conference League. This is for season 21-22, 12 card pack. And yes, my coins are primary to my channel, of course, my coin collection. But I want to do a lot more for my channel with all the other collections I do and get into and love and enjoy. So let's get into this and see what we can find. And we have a McKennie for Juventus. A captain card. A Toli for Atlanta. Another captain card. Coates for Sporting Portugal. I'm not even going to try and pronounce his name. And he plays for Real Sociedad. And then we have, I'm not even going to pronounce his name here. I know he plays for Real Madrid. Vertonghen, great player. Plays for Benfica now. And then we have, sorry, I'm not going to pronounce his name, but he plays for West Ham. Perez. He's for Leicester City. And we have James Maddison for Leicester City and Midfield Masterclass. And then we have a defensive warrior for Man City, Ruben Diaz. And then we have a crystal card, crystal parallel, I believe, Robin Le Normand. And he plays for Real Sociedad. And we have Masters and Apprentice card, Evans and Thomas. Not sure whether he was a master, that's my opinion. He plays for Leicester City. Great cards, awesome finds. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the inserts in the description box, of course. Please leave a comment and what else you'd like to see in my channel. Of course, my coins is my primary objective, and I want to get back on with my artwork. I want to get back and doing my other cards and many other collections. Anyway, whatever you're up to, have a safe day. Don't forget to meet friends in the comment section. It's the best way to meeting people. And have a great day, whatever you're up to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.